Have you ever driven by one of these closeout centers and wondered what is inside? Well, join me on my trip. I'm not only going to take you inside, but I'm also going to show you everything that I grabbed. All right, you guys know I'm super excited to show everything that I got from this closeout store. This closeout store was called the Big Attic Closeout. It is in East Point, Georgia, and I have to say I was really impressed. Now, if you've not been to any of these types of closeout stores, sometimes they are just kind of dig, sometimes they are displayed, sometimes it's kind of a mix. And I would say that this store was definitely a mix. They had shopping carts, they did have items on display in the store, and then of course there were also some bins that you can kind of dig through. We've got a little visitor. Hi, baby. Come say hi. There's Mr. Otis for everybody. Hi. And hopefully he will hang out here for a little while. Now, as I'm kind of reviewing all these items on my receipt, I will tell you what I paid for them. But then also just remember, if you do have a receipt of any kind, you can scan that into Fetch Rewards. There's a link down in my description box if you want to join it. The cool thing about Fetch Rewards is that you're going to earn points regardless of where you shop, and different items are different bonuses and different things. I don't know if I have any bonuses here or not, but we're certainly going to see. Go ahead and scan that reward link and sign up for Fetch Rewards, and you'll get some welcome points that will be from me and from Fetch as a kind of intro to Fetch Rewards. I did wake up, by the way, just a little while ago, so if I'm looking a little tired, that is why. The first thing, these were insane. And I remember how much these were as soon as I saw them. This is a 6-pack of solar lights. I love the pattern that's on these. And they're really tall. They are 15 inches tall. And that is with the stake and everything. And doesn't Otis's tail look like a little shark as he's going through? But these were a 6-pack, and they were $19, which I thought was really good. This Bliss, I'm going to research these online, and I'll put the price kind of right here on the screen, just so you can kind of see a comparison. They did have a decent amount of these, and I'm trying to open one up so I can show you guys. They had a decent amount of these, and I asked the woman that kind of was running the store if they had a refund policy if things don't work. And she said yes, that they absolutely did. If anything didn't work, I could bring it back, and they would either give me, they basically give me a store credit is kind of what it worked out to be. So that is the actual steak itself. That's a good size steak. And then this is the piece that you kind of flip around, and I mean, I'm pretty impressed to get 6 of these in one package. It's got a very big kind of sun lamp on there. It's got a really large kind of that reflective dome in there, and the light honestly looks really decent on there. There is an on and off switch inside of there as well. So this is going to be pretty cool. I'm excited to put these outside and to see how these will work. Now the next thing, by the way, those were $19.99. I don't know if I told you that or not. I remember that from when I walked into the store because it was one of the first things that I grabbed. The closeout places that I found are really also good for kind of overstock items. Like if a brand puts together a specialty, like a 2-pack of something, or maybe it's like a special flavor or something like that that's new for a limited time. A lot of times they will send those kind of closeout items or those items to closeout centers so they can kind of get rid of them because it's kind of outside of the hype period, if you will. And by the way, anything food related that I'll show you, I did check expirations on them, so they're all really good. This is a 2-pack of Colgate Total, and I do love this toothpaste, and I like this one in particular because it's got 24-hour antibacterial protection. It whitens teeth. It's good for sensitive teeth. It prevents cavities, all the kind of normal stuff. But that is a 2-pack of Colgate toothpaste, and that 2-pack was $3, $2.99. And I thought that was also a really good deal because that's what, basically like $1.50 a pack. And then there are 2 5.1 ounce tubes in here. I like that it's also the tube that stands up. This is going to be really good also for travel. I've got some travel coming up, and I'm going to be using one of these in my suitcase. And then you guys know that I recently, during one of my Dollar Tree hauls, I did buy an extra toothbrush that I want to keep in the shower, and now I've got one of these to keep in the shower as well. I'm going to brush my teeth when I'm in the shower. I brush them other times too, but definitely in the shower. These were really, really yummy, and I'm shocked that I have not jumped into these yet. This is chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. They were $1.99. $1.99, and I mean, anything peanut butter and chocolate, sign me up. I'm always there, but these are peanut butter and chocolate pie. So, I'm gonna open this. And there's Otis again, of course, because he heard the packaging. These are perfectly fine, by the way. They're not even close to the expiration date. Those are kind of yummy looking, right? All right, I'll fast forward this so you guys don't have to hear me chewing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, those are going to be dangerous. I'm glad I only bought one package of those. Those with some milk, oh my God, they're going to be so, so good. And the Oreo part is kind of like a graham cracker crust, and then you've got that peanut butter, creamy chocolate kind of center. I'm all about it. Definitely a good thing. I'm glad I bought it. I'm glad I only bought one. The next thing I grabbed was this St. Ives pink, lemon, and mandarin orange scrub. I love to have this kind of stuff in the shower as well. I don't use this every single day, but I would say that I use a scrub like this maybe like once a week or so, especially if I'm outside doing a lot of work. I love to come inside and just kind of scrub my face. And I haven't tried this pink, lemon, and mandarin, but it actually does smell very, very good. This was $1. $1 for St. Ives. This is crazy. That is a good deal. And I know I've seen this in stores at Target, at least at St. Ives brand, for much, much more. Hi, baby. He said hi. What's going on? The other thing that I did grab was this, which I thought was like kind of cool. Now, you're probably wondering, what is this? And I will tell you what this is in just a second. Let's see. It's not that. It's not that. It's not that. It's not that. Oh. I don't think they scanned this. It's not on my receipt. It is literally not on my receipt. Well, it was free. What I liked about this, though, was on the outside, it said vintage John DeLorean patent prints that are 8x10. They're unframed photographs. And this is definitely something that was really, really cool. All right, so I think I got a bonus pack because that's a lot more than 4. So let's look at these. Imagine these. You've got a man cave. You've got maybe just you're a man, and or maybe you like cars and you're a woman. These are very, very cool, and these could be amazing in the right kind of frame. Now, that is the DeLorean engine, and there's another part that's the DeLorean engine parts. And then you've also got, there's more than 4 in here, y'all. You've also got that one of the cars. That's really, really cool. How cool could this be, like in a kid's room or something? I think I got a double pack because I got a double pack here. And so there's that. And then the other 4 are the same exact ones. So I got a literal 2-for-1 deal with these, and didn't pay a thing for them. So I think what I'm going to do is definitely keep one. I have an idea for framing them. I kind of want to redo some of my artwork, so I think these could be really, really cool, especially if I got like a black frame with a white matting or something, or even a cream color matting. That could be good. And if I mess them up, I got some extras. So maybe I'll, honestly, maybe I'll even try and frame them. We have a yard sale coming up, and I'm toying with the idea of doing it. But yard sales are like, at least working them. I love going to them. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. But I could sell one set maybe at the yard sale. I could sell them for a penny, and I'd still recoup my money because I didn't pay for it. Real Simple All-Purpose Cleaner. This is another brand that I really like. And this is the Sweet Orange Basil Scent. I didn't want to open this up in the store, but I know the Real Simple products. I typically really like them. Yeah, that's wonderful. It's got a nice citrus scent to it. It does have a little bit of a sweetness in it because of the basil. $1. $1 for this. This is crazy. This is a 24-ounce bottle. And what's also really cool about this brand, by the way, if you're not familiar with Real Simple, is that it is safe around kids and pets. So like the little one that keeps running around back here in the background, that is really cool to have this one and to be able to, use it and know that you're going to be safe with your pets and your kids. The next items were some canned good items, and these were by Bush's. They were they were 50 cents each. So I got both of these for $1. This is the Bush's taco beans. They're refried pinto beans. The expiration on the date, again, is fine. And Mexican food and Tex-Mex and everything similar is a food that I definitely like to have at the house. And refried pinto beans, why wouldn't I do it? And then these are refried black beans. And I've had black beans before, but I've never had refried black beans. So for 50 cents a can, I know I'll at least like these. I like black beans, so I'm not anticipating not liking these. And again, a great savings. Like, that's cheaper than buying canned goods at Dollar Tree. And I don't know what the Bush's baked beans brands would typically run for, but I feel like I did pretty good. Now, these next things I love. And I bought every single flavor that they have, and I'm glad that I did because I got them home and I really, really liked them. Now, this is a soda called Pura. But what's cool about this soda is that it's naturally flavored, sparkling. So if you don't want to have a cocktail, you don't have to have a cocktail. Or if you want to make this a cocktail, you can add to this and make it a cocktail. So this is the cucumber lime. And I've actually drank already 2 of them. They come in a 4-pack. So you get a 4-pack. This is a different flavor. This is a different flavor. This is a different flavor. And that's a different flavor. So I bought 5 of these, and I've already drank 2 of the cucumber lime ones. And I drank one of them on the way to work. And I just needed to grab something before I left to go to the office. And I knew I was going to be sitting in traffic. So I just grabbed the cucumber lime. It was nice and refreshing. It was great. And then I had one like 2 nights ago, and I put some vodka in it, and it was also really good. So if you're over 21, of course, you can do that. So cucumber lime is one flavor. And then this other flavor is pomegranate. I'm really excited to try that one. I might actually try, you know what, let's just do it. There is a, oh, it's really loud. There is a brand that I like. It's called Izzy or Illy or something, and they make a pomegranate drink, and it's tasty. So let's see if this is going to compare to it. Again, this is Pura, this is the soda, and it is the pomegranate flavor. Oh, that's perfect. That is really good. All right. So far I like the 2 flavors I've tried. This one is a lemon and elderflower. And now, if you know elderflower, it is the only elderflower I've ever experienced is in a liqueur. Trying trying to think of the name of it. It's a beautiful bottle. Anyway, and it's really good with little champagne, little gin. Top it off with some sparkling. This has got the elderflower, this has got the lemon, so it's gonna give me that same kind of flavor without having to add any alcohol to it. And again, alcohol optional. If you wanted to add it, you certainly could. These, by the way, were $1. They were $1 for each flavor, and I bought one of every single flavor that they have, and I'm so glad that I did. Seville Orange is the other one, and I'm super excited about that flavor. I feel like that would be a really, really good flavor, and I love orange flavored. Now, just for calorie count and an idea, 65 calories. There's a little bit of sugar in here. There's like 13 grams of sugar. So definitely, you know, monitor that if you need to monitor that. I think I did this one. I think that's the elderflower. Yes, the lemon and elderflower. And then I've got one more flavor because I opened the pomegranate one. And it's really good. And then this flavor is cranberry. And again, the first two that I've tried, they've been absolutely delicious. So I'm anticipating these being just as yummy. And in case you're wondering what my grand total was, I spent $30. $30 on everything that you see here. And I would say that this is probably worth it alone. $19.99 for this set of 6. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this type of closeout stuff. I'm kind of searching around and doing, you know, all kinds of different content. And I think this is kind of fun. And I know I've personally driven by several of these and never gone in because I just don't know what to expect. And now I feel like I have a little bit of a better idea on what to expect. And I'll bring you more content very, very soon. All right, guys, if you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Make sure that if you're not subscribed, you hit that subscribe button, but also that bell for the notifications, and it will let you know every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, until next time, I will talk to you later.